So do you think that COVID-19 pandemic has affected insurance policy penetration in India? People are more concerned about, buying life insurance, family insurance.
Yes, it has expanded it a bit. There's no doubt about that.
So
it has taken away people's ability to pay,
right.
but it has certainly expanded their desire for the product.
Got it. So you started off in 2008, right? And 2008, 2009 were the time of global recession.
Yeah.
So was starting out at that time and starting something new, like absolutely new, was it very difficult in considering the recession?
I never thought of it that way.
Okay.
I never thought of it that way, to be brutally honest, because, it wasn't like it's a downturn, so let's start. We had this, great idea that we wanted to do something about. And we thought the middle class in India really needed insurance, and we had to popularize it. We had to create the demand for it. And, we think we would have started, whether it was a good time or a bad time. But back in hindsight, I like times when, funding is a bit slow.
Okay.
Because, how do I put it? Yeah. There's a bit of a difference between different types of businesses. In the last 5-6 years, anything has been getting funded. Things that kind of don't make sense at all have been getting funded. And to me, that's a worry. Because it can spoil an entire generation. If an entire generation starts believing in valuations without value, that can create a problem for the entire generation. And I think that is why having some bad times in your life are very good. Because, bad times give you perspective. And bad times allow you to think more clearly. Whereas, exuberant times, quite honestly, everything in the last 6-7 years has been exuberant times, right? Nobody even talks about a, $5 million valuation these days.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's good that so much capital is available. But I think a lot of inefficiency has come in because of the availability of that much capital.
But besides inefficiencies, don't you think that it has actually adapted the startup ecosystem, made more people come up with startups with different ideas, pursue them?
That is right. That is very good. But more people come up with those ideas with the wrong thought process.
Okay.
And what is the wrong thought process? The wrong thought process is, sometimes very short-termish nature in terms of what needs to be done in the next 3 months. Sometimes disconnect between. See, what is a problem? A big problem is when a founder starts believing that their company is less valuable than what others think it is worth.
Okay.
Because then all kinds of conflicts start. So, and some of the companies are valued so highly that the founders are quite happy to be, paid their equities worth today. And then that, if you kind of really get down to the basics of what went wrong at any of the large failures, what you would find is basically people saying, give me my money. And essentially a founder saying, I don't believe in my own idea, just give me the money. And how do you get to that situation?
Overvaluation.